Hi, so you're Friska, right?
Yes, I'm Friska. Thanks for having me.
You're welcome. We are happy to have you here. How are you?
I'm doing really well. Thank you. How about you?
I'm great. Thanks for asking. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How do you feel about the interview?
Well, I feel a little bit nervous, but also excited to do this.
Are you ready for the interview?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, please introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Friska, and I recently graduated with a degree in software engineering. I'm excited about the opportunity to apply my skills and knowledge in the field of software testing. During my studies, I have learned about various testing methodologies, including automatic testing and manual testing, and as well as tools like Catalan and Selenium. I'm also familiar with programming languages such as C++, Java, Python, and Groovy, and which I believe will be beneficial in writing efficient and effective test cases. And I'm also a detail-oriented person who is passionate about ensuring software quality and delivering high-quality products to customers. And I'm eager to learn more and grow in this field, and I believe this will be a great opportunity for me to do so.
Thank you for introducing yourself. Since you're a fresh graduate, let's talk about your internship. Can you tell me anything about it?
Well, I did my internship in 2009 as a data engineer, where I collected data, prepared the database, and also did an ETL using Open Studio to transform the data before I insert them into the database. And it didn't really align with software testing, but it gives me a better understanding of the other side of the app, and I believe it will be helpful for me to be a better software tester. And my experience in ETL and database preparation helped me understand how to handle and validate large amounts of data. Besides, this experience also made me pay more attention to details and improve my problem-solving skills.
Okay, why are you interested in software testing?
I've been wanting to be a software tester since my first year in college. One thing that got me into software testing is when I joined the research of one of my lecturers, and what I really enjoyed about the software testing during the research was the ability to uncover the hidden defects or bugs that might not have been visible during the development. And it was a challenging and rewarding process to think creatively and try to anticipate potential issues, and then design and execute the tests to confirm or rule out the hypothesis. And I found it very satisfying to be able to help to ensure that the final product was of high quality and met the requirements of the stakeholders.
Okay, so you're familiar with test automation tools, right? Please tell me about why and where you use them.
Yes, I'm familiar with test automation tools such as Catalan and Selenium. In addition to those tools, I'm also familiar with Postman, JUnit, and also SonarQube. And during my studies in software testing, I had the opportunity to work with these tools extensively. And for example, in software testing course, I used Catalan to test an online library website where I was able to identify and report several bugs. And the use of these test automation tools allowed me to execute hundreds of test cases in a short period of time, saving a significant amount of time and increasing the efficiency of the testing process. And additionally, I use Postman and JUnit in other projects to automate API testing and unit testing respectively.
Okay, that was the last question. Do you have any questions?
Yes, I do. Could you tell me more about the team that I will be working with if I were to join a company? How do the teams typically collaborate and work together to achieve goals?
Okay, the team you will be working with is made up of experienced professionals with diverse background in software and software development. We work closely together to understand the project requirements and set achievable goals. We use agile methodologies to ensure that we are constantly adapting to changing requirements and delivering high-quality results. Our team also holds regular meetings and use tools like Jira and Stack to stay organized uh, and ensure everyone is on the same page.
Thank you for providing such a detailed and insightful overview of the team, dynamics, and collaboration process. It's helpful to have a clear understanding of what to expect and how I can contribute effectively to the team.
Thank you for taking the time to speak with us today. We appreciate your interest in our company and insight you share. We will be in touch soon regarding next steps.
Thank you for the opportunity to interview for the position, and I appreciate your time and consideration. Hello, welcome to our company. How are you doing today?
Hi, I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. How are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. So before I get started with the interview question, can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Okay, hello, my name is Nabila and I am a software engineering graduate from Bandung State Polytechnic. I am excited to be here today to the interview for the front-end developer position. During my studies, I developed a passion for creating visually appealing and user-friendly web application, which led me to specialize in front-end development. I recently completed a front-end internship as a front-end developer where I gained experience in developing responsive web application using HTML, CSS, TypeScript, and various front-end frameworks such as React.js and Angular. I am highly motivated and passionate about front-end development and believe that my skills, education, and experience make me a strong candidate for this role. I look forward to discussing my qualification further and learning more about this exciting opportunity.
Okay, so can you share your internship experience as a front-end developer?
Okay, during my 4-month internship as a front-end developer at Evidence Technology, I successfully built a single-page application using React.js and Angular frameworks, developed two web application projects for the company, created responsive website-based applications interface that were accessible on desktop, tablets, and mobile devices, and implement custom bootstrap using SASS to create visually appealing application interfaces that met all requirements.
Okay, can you tell me more about your experience using React.js and Angular? Which framework do you prefer and why?
I work on multiple projects using both React.js and Angular. While both frameworks have their strengths and weakness, I personally prefer working with React.js because I find it to be more lightweight and flexible. I appreciate the fact that React.js is a library rather than a full-fledged framework, which allows me to have more control over the project architecture and development process.
So now, can you tell me about your experience working in a team?
I have experience working in a variety of team settings. One example of this is when I worked as a team leader for a web project called Wisata. In this role, I was responsible for coordinating and delegating tasks, managing deadlines, and ensuring that the project met all requirements. However, I also believe that I work well as a team member and can contribute effectively to a team without taking a leadership role. During my internship as a front-end developer, I collaborate with designers, backend developers, and project managers to ensure that our applications were developed on time and met all requirements.
Okay, can you tell me about the time when you had to troubleshoot and solve a particularly difficult technical problem?
During my internship, I encountered a particularly tricky bug in one of our React.js application that was causing it to crash unexpectedly. After some initial debugging, I was able to identify that the issue was related to a conflict between two different libraries we were using. To solve the problem, I worked closely with the backend developers to refactor the code and eliminate the conflicting libraries.
That's great to hear. Based on our conversation today, do you have any concerns or reservation about your qualification for this role?
No, I don't. I feel that I have the skill, experience, and the passion needed to excel in this role, and I'm excited about the opportunity to join your team.
Excellent. We appreciate your time and enthusiasm. We will be in touch soon regarding the next step in the hiring process. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.